Hey y'all, here at our house we talking about Easter. We have the best time at Easter, celebrating Jesus rising from the grave. We celebrate hard, and it's important to me that I get my grandchildren to understand what we are celebrating. It's not just all about the Easter bunny and eggs, but why we're celebrating this. And Eddie just makes Easter so special at this house. I wish y'all could all come and be a part of Easter Day here with us. So this is one thing I'm gonna be serving, and this is called Easter candy sheet cake. So you know it's easy. We're gonna go right by the recipe on the box, which is buttermilk. Now it calls for water, so this is the only thing I'm substituting is buttermilk versus water, and melted butter, and 3 large egg whites. So we're gonna beat this for about 2 minutes, and then we're gonna put it in our 13 by 9 by 2 that I have sprayed, so it'll come out. And the kids just love this confetti. You know, those colors of confetti all through the cake. So we're gonna bake this according to the directions on the box. Let's see, for a 13 by 9. Thirty-four to 38 minutes. My glasses are not strong enough anymore. I got to go to the doctor and get me some stronger glasses. Okay. This looks like frosting, doesn't it, instead of a cake mix. That is one thick cake. And it's gonna be so good. I'm gonna stew it that way, and I'm gonna pick up all this and put it in the sink if Teresa would put that in the oven for us.
I sure will.
I'm getting ready, y'all, to make the frosting for our confetti candy cake. And I mean, it calls for a lot of powdered sugar. It calls for 8 cups. And a 1 pound bag of confectionate sugar has about 3.5 cups, will make a pound. So I don't know if I'm gonna go the 8 cups or not, because it's gonna be a lot of icing, but then I may, who knows. So I've got my butter, and I'm gonna whip it. I'm gonna whip it good. Whip it good. You'll want that at room temperature. 2 sticks of butter. So the recipe calls for, like I said, 8 cups of confectionate sugar, about a 1/2 cup of milk, some vanilla extract, and cocoa powder. Now for the cocoa powder to not be so extreme, we would need to cut back on that if we're gonna cut back on the confectionate sugar. So I'm gonna start, and I'm gonna measure 1, 2, 3, and 1/2 cups. Now this would make 1 pound, and it will normally frost a 13 by 9 easy. So we're gonna mix this up, and we're gonna see what we got. I'm gonna add my milk slowly. All right, I'm gonna come over here and get me some more sugar. Now that was 3.5 cups that I used, so now that'll be 4. That'll be 4 cups. So I'm gonna add my cocoa, and I'm gonna kind of just slowly cut that in with the confectionate sugar. So we're up to 4 cups. 5 cups. 6 cups. So if you want to make it easier on yourself, you would need a 2-pound bag of confectionate sugar. So I guess we might as well go ahead and do it, right, kiddos? Because we don't have much sugar left. I think I'm just going to dump that on in. So that would be 8 cups. And depending on how chocolatey you want this, you just use at your own discretion how much you want. All right, I'm gonna add the rest of that milk. And now I'm gonna add some vanilla extract if I can get it open. I got it. I'm gonna add about 2 teaspoons of extract. So here we go. I'm gonna try to get it all mixed up together. Okay, y'all, I finally got that frosting mixed together. But I probably had 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar and cocoa left that I just felt like we'd had enough. And I had to add another 1/4 of a cup of milk to make this spreadable. And I just told Teresa and Eddie that the icing's gonna be as thick as the cake.
And there's a problem with that?
No, not for me and you. But maybe for others. So that's what I'm saying. Just, you can cut back on the amount of frosting. You can make it swirly or you can make it slick, however you want to make it. All right, so now we're gonna top it with some milk chocolate Easter eggs. Uh-oh. Just kind of randomly drop them. And I know that, got some chocolate on the outside of that one. And that one too. I want to make sure the kids have plenty of chocolate eggs. Does that look about enough to y'all? What y'all think?
It's pretty. Looks good.
Who would like to try it?
Now we're both out.
Oh, they gave up sweets for Lent. I'm so sorry.
No, you're not.
Just more for me. It's got me swallowing hard. Did you get my spatula? I think she did. No, my little offset one.
Oh, where is it?
Look, it was right here.
Oh, I took it.
Uh-huh. Look at the icing, y'all. Yum. Chocolate lovers are gonna be in heaven. You know, I'm sorry you don't have it. You don't think it is. I really am.
You're not nice.
Tell us how much you love chocolate, Eddie.
Actually, chocolate's not really my favorite.
I didn't know it is lying. This is so good. Let me get an egg. Oh, the crunch of the egg is so good, Teresa.
Don't.
The warmth of my mouth is making it melt.
You're not going to a good place, just so you know. Yes, it bothers me. I admit it.
Don't, because you know what? It's really not all that good.
Go away.
Huh?
Go away.
Just one of mine.
No!
Okay.
You're like the devil.
Love and best dishes, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.